In today's video, I'm going to teach you QuickBooks Online, how to run a profit and loss by customer. This is a very useful report when you want to see how much income and expense is tied to each customer, so you can better understand profitability at a customer level. It's especially helpful for reviewing performance over a certain period, comparing customers, or simply getting a clearer picture of where your business is making money. To get started, go to the Reports tab from the left navigation panel in QuickBooks Online. This is where you'll find all of the built-in reporting options, and it's the main place to go whenever you need financial insights from your company data. Once you're in Reports, go to Standard Reports. This section contains the default reports available in QuickBooks Online, including the one we need for this process. At the top, you'll see a search bar. Click into that search bar and type Profit and Loss by Customer. As you type, QuickBooks should begin showing matching report options. When you see the correct report, click it to open it. Now that the report is open, the next step is to choose the report period you want to review. For example, you might want to look at this month to date, or you may prefer all dates if you want a full historical view. Choose the time frame that best matches the question you're trying to answer. Right next to that, you'll also want to choose whether to view the report on a cash basis or an accrual basis. This matters because cash basis shows income and expenses when money actually changes hands, while accrual basis reflects them when they're recorded. If you need to narrow the report down to just one customer, click Customize. Inside the customization options, filter the data for the single specific customer you want to review, and then click Apply Changes. This is a great way to focus on one customer without the distraction of the rest of the list. As you make changes, the report will usually update automatically to reflect your selections. If it doesn't refresh on its own, just click Apply Changes to run the updated version. Once that's done, your Profit and Loss by Customer report is ready to review. From here, you can analyze the results based on the date range, accounting method, and customer filter you selected. And that's all there is to it. That's how to run a Profit and Loss by Customer report in QuickBooks Online.